Hey guys, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. Before we jump into today's session, of course, I just need to disclaim with you, anything that I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live trading advice. It is certainly not. So my topic for this week is understanding, verifying, identifying what we call the field of play. So the field of play is, if you want to use football terms, the field of battle. This is the area in which our objective is to get from one end zone to the other when it comes to our trade. So, while in football or soccer, we're looking to get a ball from one end of the field to the other, in trading, we're looking to get price from one end to the other. And I'm going to show you just what that looks like on a chart. So this is a picture of the NASDAQ on an intraday time frame. You could see on the top that defined red line across the top there, that is where we have supply. And if we look down at the bottom where the green line is, that is where we have demand. So what is between supply and demand? Well, that's the field of play, the field of battle, whatever you want to call it. That is in fact what we are looking to trade through. When price leaves one, the objective is to obtain the other. And if we can identify this, and which we can easily do utilizing Hawkeye tools, we can step right into a winning trade over and over and over again. And that is the objective. So here was, what we define a 3-step Hawkeye entry that transpired as price left supply and traveled towards demand. Well, there was our entry. And, we had 6 ATRs worth of profit, which well outweighed our risk to take a very profitable intraday trade. Now, guys, this is simple to do. It's simple to identify. This is what I teach our members week in and week out, how to identify the proper setup, how to execute a high probability, low risk trade. And when you can identify where your field of play is, you will never be on the wrong side of the market. You will always be where price is prepared to move from one end zone to the other. It is just this simple. It is just by identifying this area and trading it properly. Be thankful for every new day. Guys, there are so many people that wake up today and don't realize that yesterday was their last full day to be on this earth, or their last full day to live the life they lead. Somebody today is gonna pass away. Somebody today is gonna get sick. Somebody today is gonna find out they have cancer. You need to be grateful for every single new day, and you need to be humbled by every single day that you have lived and been able to share your purpose on the face of this earth, because tomorrow is not promised to any of us. I personally have had close to home, experiences. I lost my mom to cancer. It's an emotional thing. One day she's fine. The next day she went in for a pre-operation elective surgery, pre-op examination, and we found cancer. We found cancer in her brain. We found cancer in her lung. We found cancer all over her body. I mean, and it all happened in one day. So, I ask you in this Thanksgiving holiday season, be thankful for each and every new day that you have. Be thankful for each and every day that you are able to share your life on this earth with your loved ones, your friends, your family. That's my message for today. Just be thankful, because there's really no reason not to be. So, guys, if you are understanding this field of play, this field of battle, if you are understanding how volume is utilizing, the projection of price, I encourage you to take full advantage of everything that we offer here at Hawkeye. If you're not currently working with us, if you don't understand how this works, if you don't have a grasp of understanding how volume precedes price action, if you don't understand that we can identify with our tools what the field of play is for the day on each market that we're trading. If you don't have a grip around that, you are trading blind. And if you are trading blind, I promise you, you might get lucky a few times, but you won't be profitable and there won't be any longevity to your trading career. So I invite you to click the link below. Watch the Project vSwarm webinar. In this webinar, you will see example after example after example of just how we utilize the tools we have to take high probability, low risk trades over and over and over again. It is the platform on which our entire company is built around. With that, have a great day, a blessed day, a profitable day, and most importantly, a thankful day. I will talk to you soon. Take care.